Alright, y'all. I am here with another video. Another one of a convertible. Running my 704 in my room. And we're going to start on the commercial carpet, the blue commercial carpet, which seems to have faded to slight gray. So, here we go. Bank card, I don't want to lose. Don't want that to get picked up. Uh-oh. Well, that was a rather unpleasant sound. Hang on, I'll get it out. Alright, let's not pick up any more demoisturizer packets from Fiddle Faddle. And there it is, the Hoover Convertible Model 704, vacuuming the carpet in my room. I am sorry for the mess. I'm still working on it. As we can pretty well see, I've kind of also got it cleared up a bit more. So, yeah, as I make progress, other videos will be coming along. And, yeah, I'll even see about posting some extractor videos, because we all know my Bissell lift off deep cleaner, and it's right there. It's also a portable extractor, so I'll probably do some videos with that. So stay tuned, and if you want to see those potentially satisfying extraction videos, definitely subscribe and turn on notifications. So, yeah, and also tell me how you like the video and let me know what requests you want to see, what requests you have, and I'll see about doing them. Until next time, bye.